What you doing over there in the corner? You got yourself all backed into a corner? And you got yourself, you can't go forward. Seem to be having a little trouble with the forward motion these days. What do you think? You're behind the chair. See? Here, let me come get you. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. Now, you're not in a corner anymore. You can get that leg out from underneath you. You got your star back. Christy and Riley brought Ella's star back. That was her favorite toy when she was little. We have video of her playing with it. Hey! You giving me your silly smile? Where are you going? Hi! Whoa, check out that rolling. Rolling. Still got a bald spot on the back of your head. Hi! What's up? Just hanging out? Rolling that way now? Looking at the doggy. Not. Oh, you turned your music on. Oh, she can turn around, get to what she wants to. She still doesn't go forward very well, just backwards. And rotates. I'm just getting the back of your head, Ella. Here, let me come around the other side. Everyone wants to see your pretty face. What do you think? It's awfully shady down there. It's awfully shaded. Okay, here we are again. I'll try to get a little more light in here. You turned it on again? Hey, Ella. Hi. What you doing? Can you try to come forward? What you doing? You like that thing, huh? We're gonna put that on your crib. On your crib that Grandpa Day made you. So you can have something to do when you wake up in the morning before getting Mommy and Daddy up. Hi. That's a silly look. There you go, up on hands and knees, a little bit. Now let's turn that music off. There we go. Now what you gonna do? You get your other new toy. We got these at the Goodwill Clearance Center. Very, very inexpensively. You can buy stuff by the pound there. We got her 4 new toys and some clothes, and all of it was like $10. Where'd the kitty go? Huh? Say, Austin, come back, Austin. Yeah, you like the kitty. You want to sit up? You want to show everybody how well you're sitting these days? And they stop. There we go. Now she's sitting. That's your book that your Nana got you. And your new toy. What you gonna get? It's kind of hard to reach it. There you go. Good job. Excellent work. You gonna read it? You gonna read your book? It's a flower. See the flower? Yep, done with that. Okay, Ella, you want to say bye to the camera? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Say bye-bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, we don't wave yet. Oh well.